How can we improve the printing effect of UV flatbed printers? Whether it is pre-sales or after sales, the consultation degree of this question is the highest. There is no doubt that it is an expensive, high-quality UV flatbed printer, but in the normal operation and use process, there will still be poor printing results, such as horizontal stripes, uneven color, blurred printing, etc. How to solve these problems? What are the reasons for the poor printing effect of UV printers? There are two situations. One's own factors, the print head, machine configuration, printing color software, and other conditions of the UV printer will directly affect the printing effect. Two are external factors. External factors, such as the operating skills of the staff, coating treatment, UV ink, and the material to be printed, may affect the printing effect of the UV printer. The main reasons that affect the effect of UV flatbed printers are as follows. 1. The print head, machine configuration, and printing color software of the UV printer will directly affect the printing effect. 2. The training of operators. The impact of operators on the UV printer is crucial, so they must have undergone professional technical training. 3. The UV ink used by the manufacturer also affects the UV printing effect. When selecting the machine, the user also depends on the weight of the ink used by the manufacturer. The printing effect is closely related to the ink. 4. The printing of some materials needs to be equipped with a professional coating to print a perfect pattern. The coating treatment is very important. Be sure to choose the right coating and the color is uniform. 5. Consider from the picture itself whether there is a problem with the picture pixels. If it is the picture itself, then you should consider changing the picture and then reprinting it. Why are some operators very distressed? They have not changed the design of the original computer image. How can the printed image be very dark? The original edited image is very bright, and the printed image is indeed dark. The reason for this is the curve of the picture. In general, the effect of the curve is to allocate the proportion of color especially, and the printed picture needs to be restored according to the strict proportion. That is to say, even if you do not correct the accuracy and pass of the original image, if you do not set the depth of the curve, you still cannot print the image on the computer with the original copy of the UV printer. This requires certain skills and experience to master. Of course, you can also consult our technical staff. The effect of printing has a certain relationship with the printing medium, that is, the substrate, which is very simple to understand. For example, the hardness, gloss, and flatness of the raw materials will affect the final imaging effect of the UV printer. The problem of color depth before and after output is very common, as well as the adsorption effect of the raw material on the ink, just like the speed and dispersion of the brush after writing on different papers. Ink volume control is a must-have for a print operator. In addition, the nozzle of the equipment itself plays an important role. For example, the nozzle of the UV printer supplied by our company not only has high precision, but also has high speed and long service life. Many customers only recognize that most of my products are aimed at this nozzle. After the skills and experience of printing operations are well controlled, it is the nozzle that plays an important role. The above are all closely related to the printing effect, so apply the above points in place, and you can get a product image that is comparable to a photo.